entrepreneur, are you a finance person? Many of them end up with the answer saying no. But unfortunately, one should realize that every single member of an organization is a finance person, because no matter what decision they take, it has a direct impact on the finances of the company. Knowing exactly what implications each of your actions have on the bottom line and on the capital is extremely essential. So I'm here to basically make entrepreneurs understand the importance of finance, the importance of knowing certain key numbers that could change the way they do business. Because most companies not necessarily fail because of market or customers. Most companies fail today because of poor financial management. And that, if tackled, can be a game changer for companies. So I'm here taking the sessions on not only how to understand your business finance, but also how to autopilot your business finance so that it can be something that you don't have to stress about, but it also doesn't come in the way to your growth.